Will Neuralink help in the future? Because Neuralink has arrived.
Can you believe that scientists invented the chip that goes into your brain? It's called Neuralink. Here are the pros and cons.
Well, I believe that Neuralink is a huge step for humanity and possibly the best invention of the early 21st century, especially because of the ability for Neuralink to help people that can't do normal daily things, like walk or move their arms.
Now I know what you're thinking. How can I help? Well, I'll tell you.
Is that it'll help people that can't walk, talk, and move do what they can't do by connecting to a prosthetic. Elon Musk and his crew have spent a lot of time. For example, they've spent many years developing the robot to perform the surgery, let alone the actual chip.
Maybe there's a way we can figure out what deaf and mute people are thinking since they connect to phones. You can call or text without using a phone. You can call 911 if there's an emergency very quickly.
It would revolutionize the world. People wouldn't need wheelchairs because they could use their mind to control the prosthetic. Here are some interesting facts. Neuralink was founded on June 21st, 2016, and the first human trials were on January 28th, 2024. Another interesting fact about Neuralink is the Neuralink chip contains 64 polymer threads containing 1,024 sites for recording brain activity.
So now, let's explore the ups and downs of Neuralink. Firstly, one thing about Neuralink that may not work out is the fact that while in surgery getting implanted in your brain, things could take a turn for the worst. People already die in surgery, and this I feel is riskier than most surgeries. Secondly, if the chip were to break, what would you then do? The possibility of the chip breaking is one thing that would need to be accounted for. Lastly, if Neuralink gets out to the public, will anybody be able to connect to any device? I believe the invention of Neuralink would lead to a lot of devices getting hacked. I don't even want to think about someone connecting someone else's Neuralink chip. Although I listed how it wouldn't work, Neuralink would still be extraordinarily helpful. If a blind man got Neuralink, that could mean sight. Although there is already surgery for that, it isn't a guarantee.
There can be useful and harmful side effects to Neuralink. This could be good or this could be bad for humankind.
When should we release Neuralink into the world? I think that we should be able to release this chip into the world in about 10 years. But we will have to proceed very carefully.
Neuralink can definitely be our future life. I hope you take this into some consideration.
Sincerely, Mr. Tadero's class.